Hi everybody. Today I'm going to let you know about the speedometer. The objective of speedometer to choose the data point against your target. So suppose your data point is achieving the target 50%, then your data point will move on 50% target. Okay, if you have achieved a 80% target, at that time data will move on 80%. Okay, so how we can show the data point against your target through the speedometer. So let's see the practical approach. Here I'm just creating a data first. So here I'm writing speedometer. Okay, and I'm taking here initial value 0, taking here low value I'm taking here 15%, medial medium value I'm taking here 50%, and rest value is high value will be 35%. Now ending point is 100%. So I'm just summing up this data. Okay, now you are seeing 100%. Okay, so this is the value: initial point, low point, medium, and high point, and ending point is 100%. So ending point is nothing, only I'm just summing up this data, selected data. Okay, now I want to take here pointer. So I'm writing here pointer, and I'm taking here value. Value means what I have achieved. Okay, now pointer size. Okay, pointer size I'm taking here end. Okay, so here I'm taking, suppose I'm taking 34. I'm taking here pointer size, I'm taking here 2 point. Now what I have to do here in ending point, here I need to apply sum of this value. Okay, this is 200. Okay, minus whatever value I have achieved. Okay, this is the value I need to sum. So here I need to apply sum of this range. Enter. You can see here. So this is the value total minus this total. Okay, so here I will show you how we can insert the speedometer. So you need to go to insert menu, go to donut chart. Here you need to take a donut chart. I'm just taking this chart. Okay, this is a blank chart. Okay, so what I have to do here, I need to set the data. Right click here. Here you need to select the data. Select, then click on add button. In series name, I will take here speedometer, this reference. And in series value, I will pass here. I will select it, and here I will take this reference. Okay, so before you need to delete this part. Okay, then okay, now I have selected the data. Now click on OK. Now you can see here I have received a donut chart in this way. So what I have to do, I need to set this donut, this blue value I need to set in downside like this. Okay, so how we can do it? Right click here, format data series, and here you need to set 270 degrees. Okay, this is a 270 degree. Now you can see a blue part in downside. So you need to select the blue part. In case you try to select like this, you can see here all the charts of all the points is selected. Now here you need to select blue point. After selecting this, you have to again click on blue part. Now it's selected blue part. Now right click here and go to format data point, and here you can see fill option. Here you need to select no fill. Click on close button. Now you can see here this is a, this looks like speedometer, but here I need to change the color. In this maroon color you need to set red. Right click here, format data point, go to fill, and here you need to take solid fill. Solid fill, you need to take color red. Okay, done. Now in middle point, I have to take yellow color. Right click here, format data point and fill. Then you need to take solid fill. Then take here amber color. Okay, close it. Now here I need to take green color. Target of middle value is 50%. This part is 50%. This part is 15%. This part is 35%. Okay. Now you have to show your performance. What is your performance? Okay. If your performance move on yellow part, it means you are average performer. If your part, if your needle will move on this part, then you are a high performer. Okay, so first I'm changing the color of this. Now you can see here I will take fill color, solid fill, and here I will take green color. Okay, close. Okay, done. So here I have changed the color. Now I will show my performance. So how I can show? Let's see. Here I need to show. First I'm putting my pointer here. I have clicked in this area. Now you can see here rectangular box. Now right click here, take select data. Here I need to add again. Now I have to take this data reference. Okay. First series name I have to take pointer, and series value I have to take this data point. Okay. Enter. Now I will click on OK. Okay. Now I will click on OK. Now you can see here you are getting another speedometer. So what I have to do here, I need to select this and right click and change the series type. I'm not changing here series type. What I have to do here, I will have to take pie chart for this. I've taken pie chart. Okay, click on OK. Now you can see here, this is my pie chart. So what I have to do here, I need to select this chart. Okay, right click here, and here you need to set secondary axis. Click on choose. Okay, now I have to select it again, blue color, and here you need to take no fill. Blue color should be no fill, no color, and click on OK. Now I will select this part, right click here. Here I will take green part, also will be no fill. Okay, you can see here now speedometer is ready. Okay, so what I have to do, I need to show the level on speedometer. You can see here, but 164 means this value, which is not perfect. So what I have to do, I need to select the speedometer needle and right click here and set format data point. Here again I need to set 270 for this data point. Okay, choose. Now you can see here I have achieved 34%, means my pointer is here. If I change here 56%, my pointer will move on in this area. Okay, enter. You can see here still I'm an average performer. Okay, if my performance will be 95%, then you can see here my pointer will be move on 95. But I'm not looking any label here. You can see here my label is not showing. So in this scenario, what I have to do here, I need to show the label. So how we can show the label? Right click here, add label. You can see here this is a not a label of this value. It's taking pointer value. So I need to change this pointer value. So what I have to do here, I need to set here, select the label value. Then here I need to put my pointer. Okay, I will select this and I will put my pointer Yes. Okay. Equal to, now you have to take this value, then enter. Now you can see here my label. I'm changing here value like 85%. You can see here my pointer is here. So the 85%. Okay. So this is all about the speedometer. I don't need legend value. So I need to delete it. Select it and press delete key. Now you can see here, it's look very fine. Okay. So this is all about the speedometer. Thank you so much. Bye.